Technology is changing how we go about life in many ways. Investors are now faced with a decision between DIY options, sometimes called robo-advisors, and traditional financial professionals. But can automated advisors really replace financial experts? Here are my thoughts. But many people are drawn to the idea of having a simple app-driven investment portfolio with discounted pricing. But when you've got significant assets, are you looking for the cheapest way or the best way to manage your money? After all, study after study shows the impact of behavioral finance on overall investment returns. A good financial professional can help develop a strategy that is tailored to your goals. The reality is that each client that we work with has a different situation, risk tolerance, and relationship with money. An algorithm can't understand the need to support a sick relative. It cannot ease your concerns about cash flow in retirement. It treats you the same as it treats everyone else. Experience and intuition are something that sets us apart from robo-advisors. We take the time to ask questions, listen, and offer advice accordingly. We pride ourselves on helping clients navigate their unique financial journey. You deserve a financial professional who is truly there for you. With us, if you ever need to speak to a person, we are only a phone call away. Mahalo.